Well, here we are in the basement. Sonic and Foster and I, we're getting a really bad thunderstorm here, and with tornado warning, so it got really windy there for a second, and we're getting sleet. I don't know if you're, or hail. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it was busy enough that I said, or bad enough that I said, we're going downstairs. I just don't need it. So here we are. Sonic, I think this is the first time Sonic's been down here ever. So there you have it. Maybe Foss too. I don't think he's been down here too often, so he's not doing laundry yet. So here we are. All right, I'll keep you posted.